Hi everyone, you're welcome to chemistry class today. So today we are going to talk about balancing of redox equation. As we all know, redox equation is reduction and oxidation reaction. So we are going to balance it, but there are rules guiding balancing of redox equation. First of all, you have to identify the oxidizing agent present and also identify the reducing agent present. Then you balance the oxidation half equation and also balance the reduction half equation. So first of all, let's identify. We have MnO4 minus 2, Mn2 plus. This is oxidizing agent. We are going to balance this particular one first. Then we now go to the other one. Okay, let me set it this way. Because we are managing both, this is oxidizing agent, and this one here is reducing agent. So we are going to balance that of oxidizing agent first before we go into that of reducing agents. Then first of all, I want you to understand something. In balancing of redox equation, we balance in acidic medium and we also balance in basic medium. So it depends on the exact one you are going to do. So this particular one we are balancing in acidic medium. So when you are balancing in acidic medium, you balance the oxygen by adding hydrogen ion and water. But in balancing in basic medium, you balance by adding hydroxide ion and water. So this we are balancing in acidic medium. So we have this. So we are going to balance this. We are going to balance this oxygen present here by adding hydrogen ion to the reactant side and then adding water to the product side. And with that, we are going to have MnO4 minus plus hydrogen ion to give us Mn2 plus water. So at this point, we are going to check if it's balanced or not. We are having 4 oxygen here, so we have to add 4 moles of oxygen here. Adding 4 has made hydrogen to be 8, so we have to balance that hydrogen to be 8. Now we are going to look at the numbers of charge. So we are going to balance the charge by adding electron. So here now we are having -1 here. We are having what? +8. Then going to the product side, we are having what? +2. So that means this side we are having -1 plus 8 is what? We have +7 all together, while we are having +2 the other side. So what are we going to do? We are going to add electrons to balance the charge. Add electrons. To balance the charge. So what are we going to do? We are going to have MnO4 minus plus 8 hydrogen ion plus 5 electron. And then in the product we have Mn2 plus 4 moles of water. So with this, the charges are balanced. So we are done with the oxidation half equation. We are done balancing that. Now we are going into the reduction. So for the reduction, we have ion 2 ion to give us ion 3 ion. So looking at this, the charges are not balanced. So we are going to balance that charge by adding what? Here is 2. Why this one we have 3? So we have to add electrons here. We have to add electrons here. 1 electron. Then at this point, we have ion 2 ion, ion 3 ion, and 1 electron. So we are going to make sure that the numbers of electrons in the oxidation half equation is equal to the number of electrons in the reduction half equation. What are we going to do? We are going to multiply that by 5. We are going to multiply this reduction half equation by 5. Sorry, I'm managing the box, so that's why I have to choke everything up there. So with that, we are going to have 5 iron 2 iron, 5 iron 3 iron, and then 5 electrons. So at this point, this electron will cancel electron. Then we are going to write a combined chemical redox equation. We are going to have a combined redox equation, joining the two equations together. So with that, we are having NNO4 minus plus 8 moles of hydrogen ion plus 5 moles of iron 2 ion to give us Mn2 ion plus 4 moles of water plus 5 moles of iron 3 ion. And that is the end product of that balanced equation. So this is our final answer. Please, if you find it interesting, like, comment, and share. Follow Chemistry with me for more interesting chemistry lessons. Thanks and God bless you. Bye-bye.